Guys, this is another day of Joshua trying to ride two tired bikes. Does that make sense? The other day I showed you guys him riding the bike for the first time. Now this is the second time he's doing it. Hi, Mama. So this is the second time of him riding the bike, and another day obviously. And now he's learning. Blessing, can you shift for him, please? Sorry, easy. Just calm down. Don't be in a rush. Calm down. Calm your mind down. Okay? He's been trying to turn. Ooh, that was so close. He has been turning since. I don't know why he's not doing it right anymore. Blessing. He did it now. He did it now. Well done, Josh. And Favour said now it's time to learn how to climb that hill, that tiny hill up there. Where was I pointing at? In Tori or Long? Can you remove this thing from the road, Caleb? If you are not riding your bike, push it out of the way, please. Hey! Oh my God! Oh my God! Blessing is being bitten by a mosquito. Look at that.
Whenever I crash it.
Don't scratch it, mommy. Don't scratch it.
It's so big. I thought it's going to be just 1 second.
Even yourself, as you are coming, you watch. When you see there is bike here, you take another route. Another route or route. Anyone. Just take it easy. You are doing it. You see? Well done. Well done, Josh. That reminds me, Favour. When I posted the other video, someone was saying it's time to change into a bigger bike for you.
Exactly.
And I'm like, these people, they don't know what our plans are. Say what Daddy said about this bike.
That I've grown big and it's time for me to change a new bike. That day I'm going to follow him to choose the one I want.
These children will not let us hear. That's what?
That I'm going to follow him and choose the bike that I want.
Okay. Did you guys hear her? Or if you don't understand her, let me explain better. Her daddy told her that he's going to go to the supermarket to get a bike for her, and that she's going to follow him so she can choose the one she likes. So yeah, we already have that. It's in our budget. So it's not like we don't know what to do. It's not like we don't know what to do. We already have that in mind. That obviously you can see this is very small for her. Even Joshua, but because Joshua is still learning, we are not going to buy for him yet. We are buying only for Favour for now. Then when Joshua is really good at it, then we can decide to buy a bigger one for him. But for now, that's what he's going to be using. And as for Caleb and Blessing, they don't have any problem, or we don't have any problem with their bikes. We have another one here. Here's another one. Very soon Caleb will start using this one, and even now Blessing can ride that pink one up there. Yeah, Blessing can ride that one. She even did it some minutes ago. So yeah, we already have that in mind. Okay, not that we don't know what to do or we don't know what our kids need.
Yeah. Because whenever I ride, I'll be hitting this place.
Yeah, very soon Daddy will do that. Probably, I don't know. Let me not say. I don't know, but
maybe in this month, but like 31st,
1300. Meanwhile, I'm here doing my jump rope.
Sister.
Yeah, he's trying. There's a lot of mosquito here.
Yeah, in this area there's a lot of.
And by the way, guys, I'm here doing my jump rope. Like I told you guys in that vlog, that I don't just bring them down and do nothing. When they are riding their bikes, I just do my jump rope to keep my, you know, self busy and body moving. Caleb, if you are not riding that bike, bring it inside. Don't try that again. I saw what you did now. Don't do it again. So yeah, that's it, guys. Let me go back and continue. I've done 1,100 jumps, and then I've lifted weight with my dumbbell, the 4 kg one. I did that for like, should I say up to 10 minutes? I'm not sure if it's up to 10 minutes, but it should be around 10 minutes, okay? Yeah, so let me go back and continue. I want to do 2,000 jumps again today, because I didn't do yesterday. Yesterday was Sunday. So yeah, let me try and see if I will try and do 2,000, not try and see. I will do 2,000 jump rope, and then we'll call it a wrap. Guys, I'm finally done, and I'm very sure I did more than 2,000 jumps. After 2,000 I lost count, but I believe it's up to 2,001. But anyways, that's by the way. Now I'm here to rant. Pardon me, I want to rant. I need to rant. My chest is full. I need to let it out, okay? I know I come up here every time to talk about this same thing I'm about to talk about now, but I need to do this again, yet again. You know, sometimes I tell myself I'm never going to come out here again and talk about this, but I can't help it, to be honest, guys. I really cannot help the matter. I cannot help the situation, and so I always feel kind of relief whenever I come out here to talk about this. Now, what is that thing that I want to talk about? Joshua, easy, just easy, okay? I don't want us to go upstairs with blah blah. I don't know if the mention of that brings a strike, so I'm just going to.
You keep following me.
You that is following him, are you not looking? This place is even not enough for all 4 of you.
Exactly.
It's not enough for 4 of you, but you have to manage it, please. So guys, the thing is that my views, what am I doing? What was that? My views have gotten to the lowest point, like for someone that has over 200,000 subscribers. So did you hear the number I just mentioned now? Over 200,000 subscribers, and I post a video in a day. I get only, sometimes I don't even get up to 1,000 views. Like, I used to complain about 5,000 views. Now it's 1,000. Sometimes it's less than. Like, why? What exactly? Like, is it? I don't get it. I for sure know that my contents are not that boring. My content is not boring. It's you that don't want to watch. It's you that only want to watch where they are gossiping people, where they are fighting, where they are dragging each other. It's you that want to watch such content. The one that will make you feel homely, you know, motivate you, inspire you to kind of run your home. Or like right now, I'm back on my weight loss journey again, and surprisingly, I can't even pull up to 1,000 views. Highest has been 2,000 or 3,000 views in 7 days on a weight loss video. Like, I keep wondering what exactly is going on. Is it really that people are no longer finding my content interesting, or have I been shadow banned by YouTube? That there's nothing I have not been thinking about. Name it. I've been thinking about a lot of things. What could have been the problem? What is the problem really? And sometimes I feel like coming out here to say, if you're no longer finding my content interesting, why not unsubscribe? I keep thinking about it. Should I just make a post and ask people to unsubscribe if you know that you don't want to watch my videos anymore? Is it not better to unsubscribe? Like, that's what I've been thinking of. And you guys, please, I don't know, at this point, I know low views will never make me stop posting videos, but it's kind of frustrating when I look at my subscriber count, the number of subscribers I have. That is the most painful part of it. And you will be wondering, where are all these over 200,000 people? Where are they? In a week, you don't see my video, any of my video. In the whole of 7 days, you've never come across any of my video. What exactly is going on? What is happening? What is happening? I put in the best I can. I put in the work. When you're watching the videos, you don't know what I did behind the scene, especially those weight loss videos. It's not easy to be on a weight loss journey and then you are recording it at the same time. Like, it's, in fact, I should be losing times 2. If I'm supposed to lose a kilo in a week, I should be losing 2 kilos just because I'm recording it alone. The recording part alone is a workout on its own. So I put in so much work. Oh my goodness, you don't have no idea. So what do you guys think I should do? I'm asking you now. What is your suggestion? What should I do to revive the views? Because I've noticed that, or I've always known, I didn't just notice, I've always known that many people that watch me are the same people watching other content creators. There's a place where YouTube show you that. They will tell you that your audience also watch so and so content creators. When I go to those people's channel, especially those vloggers, I see that they are creating the same vlog that I create. The same thing that I do, that's what they do. Yet they pull up a lot of views. And then I'll be wondering, what is happening? I know I don't go out as much, but even though I don't go out as much, sometimes I do. Okay, the ones that I have gone out, there is still no views. The ones that I have gone out to vlog, there is still no views. So what exactly am I doing wrong? What do you guys want me to do? I've asked this question many times, and I can't stop asking the same question. Anyways, I just wanted to rant a bit. It's kind of frustrating. It's kind of demotivating. Okay, I have posted for a whole 30 days to see what happens if I post every single day for 30 days. I want to see what happens. I've done that. Nothing happened. Nothing really happened. Like, I'm tired, but I'm not going to stop posting, but I'm tired. Honestly, I'm tired. I've had it up to here. It's shocking me. Anyways, like I said, I just wanted to come out here and rant. There's a lot of mosquitoes here. The thing is not letting me stand one place. So yeah, guys, please, if you can share my videos, if you can recommend my videos to people that you think they need to see my videos, please do so, and I will really appreciate that. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Bye. And good night. Bye. This is actually 7:49 p.m. and everywhere is still bright. Yes. Everywhere is still very bright.
I learned how to, I kind of learned how to use one hand and we go to back. I did it like...
Oh, you are learning how to use one hand.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Bye. Here are my munchkins. Bye. Watch, oh, watch. Bye. Careful. Mama, say bye. Bye.